Hi everyone, welcome back to Tuition Cikgu Ahmad or Think Maths. I'm Cik Mat. So today we are going to continue with our fun and easy math discussion and practice. Today I would like to bring you to one up higher level question on factorization. This time it is still trinomial quadratic, but with a little bit more difficult pattern. Okay, so the question will be 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. How do you want to solve it? So I will bring you up another technique to make this, to break it down into easier way of solving the question. So today, like this, you see this is a crossing two lines. Well, catching the two lines, what we will see is we have to find out this part first, okay, the quadratic part first. What are the numbers or the term times or multiplied which will come up to 2x squared? So it will be like this: 2x times x. Is it correct now? 2x times x is 2x squared. Okay, so on the right side of this, I use another color. Okay, what are two numbers which times up or multiply to 10? So it's 2 times 5. You see, it's 2 times 5. You see this? Alright, but the position is quite important. Whether the 2 should be on the both or the 2 should be down. These are the two things. Okay, so let's see how to determine that. To determine that, we have to times this and this. 2x times 5, which is 10x. X times 2, which is 2x. Does it add up to 9x? No, not at all. See? Not at all. So we have to change the position. You see? So we have to put this instead. Yes, yeah. So it will become like what? Like this. Become like 2x times 2 is 4x, whereas x times 5 is 5x. 5x plus 4x is 9x, right? So it tallies this 9x. Yes. So easily saying the answer is this. You see? The answer is this. Put the bracket here. And the answer is 2x. This is positive, right? These are two positives. Plus 5 and x plus 2. Okay, that is exactly the answer. So I hope you can practice it and you can get hang of it and become an expert in no time, joy and fun of learning. I can see you again. Okay, bye.